Hello and welcome, my fellow Buckeyes. My name is Chuck Foster, and this is my Project Prospectus Screencast. I have chosen to do my instructional design on being resilient in a non-resilient society. 6 competencies to a balanced you. Being a master resiliency trainer, I'm amazed on how difficult it is for people to be resilient or even understand the importance of resiliency. From my experiences, young adults are quickly becoming less resilient, and more are being diagnosed with some type of mental health concerns. Being resilient is more important now more than ever. This instructional design would identify the 6 competencies to being more resilient, briefly describe the importance of being more resilient, and ways we can be more resilient in our everyday life. I have chosen the Gagne's Events of Instruction model. This model has 9 components: gain attention of the students, inform students of the objectives, stimulate recall of prior learning, present the content, provide learner guidance, elicit performance, provide feedback, assess performance, enhance retention, and transfer to the job. The model is ideal for my instructional design because it triggers curiosity, facilitates learning, enhances retention, and Gagne's model can be adapted easily. Gagne's model is also one of the most utilized due to its solid foundation in instructional design. I thank you for your time. If there are any questions, please feel free to contact me at my email listed here. And as always, go Bucks!